Say yamfana. Ito kwetsa la bana. Yeah.
Okay, no serious.
Skama sirasi.
Okay, Steve.
Sure.
Focus. Okay. Sandubula okay,
no, sikhuluma ngani vele? Sikhuluma ngebhola.
Okay, Sandubula lisokupoa phile mathipela nesikhyabe ntona khona. Le impodi khona ikhenza bathi ukhenza kasha yathethiswa. Hamba namathu wami lana ushibobo Mac episode 41.
Episode 14.
14. Yeah. I don't know if it's that way. Okay. Anyways, yeah. It is fair. I'll tell you, man. A police mavocha. Mavocha, please, can you please introduce yourself?
Bafethu wala. Ayifana ukushubile episode 41/14. Ultimate Magazine 14. Fili Steve Mavocha. AKA Walaza. Afana kunyal keep Walaza. Oh yeah.
Yeah, then okay.
Cover cheese number 8. Favorite cheese, obvious. 18 moyi ngwana.
18.
Okay, I'm past here. Kai kama le persona generally.
Yeah, sure, bafethu. Siyakotse Shibobo Mac. Danko.
Yeah, strebile bafethu sikundile. Thanks to Sia. The CEO. Looking fresh. Thank you. Nah, I ain't now trebile. The foundation. Yeah, so njengoba nibonile ukuthi iPS elibuyile. Singazi ukuthi ibuye with the bang or ibuye with the slang. Yeah. Came with the lows or came with the highs. So mfuna ukuzwa amajita wami ukuthi bona bacabanga nibabonani mina so far. Right. Ayithusi kangako. So yeah.
Abanye bawinile, abanye badlala ama-draw. Yeah, kuningi.
Ngikhuluma mina leyo.
Abanye bawinile, abanye badlala ama-draw kuningi. So like kuzoba mnandi going forward guy. Second half of the season. Ziyakhala impela. Maka konje Sundowns iwinile ne? Yeah. Monday, yeah. Nidlala Monday. Badlalile maka still akyo convinced linavela ka performance yabona so like akubona mfethu going forward uhlwetsa la ngabo.
Yeah, maybe after 3-4 games.
Yeah.
Bazobe right.
The Perfeni Klama boys. Big ups bawinile bavule kamnandi 2026.
Hopefully namhlanje
the big institution. Yeah, bamisa ama chance up izolo. Mara, you see now, yeah, there's a lot to talk about. Yeah, there's a lot to talk about in the big institution. There's a lot. Says that. Sandawan ngibonile ngathi introduce le ntwana leza ku DDC. Khona ntwana lo bani umkwena. Sokunabo umkwena abayithula phaya. And lebokudlala lezi vele. Khona lo kekana vie. Idlala inkabini.
Kekana senidlala ko 17.
Yona. Adimnati tsona feel yabo.
And then lo khado sobe ngimameli inhlihle ntwana leya. Enjoy.
And mathathu ubheka ba introduce le striker lese bacida ukusayina no Sako Hontebi. Hayo na fair yabo asazi team lokucala asazi going forward kuzoba njani yabo. But then sibone ukuthi adjust kanjani da ku Sundowns.
But at least it lift up confidence yakho Gorilla.
What I like na plus una le height vie strong wabo so akusomboni go like enhle ke play jwang wabo. Mara the way kubona nkathing lo khado songathi zamile ukushintsha ischeme nyana or maybe ka save caref. Yeah, maybe ka save caref because of izolo lama player lawo bewangadlali Monday bewadlala izolo njengoba badlala 2-2
Friday.
Yeah, badlala Friday ne. Yeah, so like badlala 2-2 na uCAF so kuphizi
So bekunzima for
bona yeah ngiyacabanga because of lezi tata so hey khona le ubani akuphi they shy 2 goals Al Hilal hayi yeza leya yeza idea
badlala away izokhala
bebadlala home ne
bebadlala home
Jehova akuyoba yinkinga ngara
sizokhala
Makumkwena hayi ungishayile ubuyile uyoshayela irondo ayushaya enye into
ushaye
so like I think baspanile lebona
Lijabuphule are okay
askisi bafethu ngizobuyela ku-AFCON kancane njengoba uthi Mkwena ring
badlalile
kiri Jabuphule are after goal le ya Mkwena utshwantsa Mkwena le Mbatha are Mbatha like I'm shebile is more of Mkwena type of a player but he never explained enough but Lena scout cover maybe the long range
banal dating you because of Mkwena
I think advantage kaMkwena
physique ne I think a bit of agency whereas to kimang but mfethu ke player lo ngabe shebile so bona inka release mara ya span so like
mara pass ama opponent
that's the problem nezolo ngibonile I think usase rust phela ukhumbule lo muntu lo wagcina ukudlala nini ngeCarling Cup and then AFCON akadlalanga so like ngiyacabanga ukuthi sase rust bekazama uku-adjust
nge-Egypt
okay sharp lawo ma minutes la but then after akadlalanga so kyanana kumbe santsana le rust mara tla khutla aketse because of check ibona ngathi le di balances le di balances
Sundowns nami ngisafuna ukuyibona grand obvious intanga ubonile ba consider kanjani izolo first chip
bedliwe ngakhi
angathi 2-0
Jehova
ngcine kuyi 1-0 ulibonile la goal le
Mudim
le defender le goalkeeper
ikuphi le ivalo goalkeeper le yabo le
clip ka keep ukuthi wenzeni
le goalkeeper yabo le bebavimbela le bisukulisa
azu bani beka
le umsuthu le eselisuthu international
maqawisa sokhona
akavu etsalanga no maybe injati or something because of kuyabona la balunda nkakaye
hayi leyana mfana
bomnata
ivimba lapha ezolo ke defender balitekile bengekho into bakazoyenza bamshayile lapha itsile bekumele yenze ifoul once ayibambe untanga yabo because umshayi ngephitsi umodile iyo what waya le untanga yazi mfana mina bengispect goalkeeper uzolivimba yazi lo goalkeeper lo bekangalivimba nangenyawo bekangajumpela kule side ngenyawo alitrap le disc fana ibhola amalidlula Canada
la
ngabheka lela goal leli ngithe mangilibona ngathi mara bafisi mfana there's still a long way to go Junior ngitshela
everything asithola le nzansi
hayi no
busy second half no busy no uyudla PSL
yazi mina no expect ukuthi lama team lawo azolwa jo
lawo from
wonke ashude asifuni ngehlathini yababaleli top 8 sifuna ungena ku top 8 top 4 sifuna number 1
3 phase yazi bengidinga
leyo wonke umuntu uyalwa jo you are fighting for something ayamagandanga ngobheki orbit against Sundowns intanga enhle uyazibuza ukuthi enhle layout lezi vele sidlala professional football vele like they get paid ukuthi wena professional football you are qualified to play to start the game to do this and this too.
I actually have a question. My question is based on don't you think ukuthi njengoba kudlala AFCON fana ukuthi you were like on a break to PSL so don't you think ukuthi lento le it might have maybe had an effect kuli team
okay uba crust
yeah
rust okay sharp it happens in football mara not ama basics awuthiya basic things not
when you say basic you're talking about tripping passing
simple things
not really game I think ukuthi udlale every game you know what you have to do uyazi ukuthi mfethu mangimakela lo muntu udlala so ama option ay2 if you win leza game so itsile uzoya le or uya le yangithola melube mara uyazi ukuthi moyi defender manje uhlala ukade goal side yangithola but mfana ama mistake ayenzwa yilabo labo ngiyazibuza ukuthi yo
khamba
awusileza ama professional footballers vele yabo then that is why ngithi against Sundowns mara shout out to Sundowns for ukudlalisa those
Into
young guys on Monday.
I think it's
cut. It's about time.
Because of if you can check, mfano ke mangkutlwa no Tlhako. Uqale negame ube ne run grand. And then bam substitute abafa uThemba Zwane. Remember ngithole kantle kufila void as one. Katsilanyana I think one replace.
Sort of like mental type of a thing.
Something like that,
yeah.
Because of no look grand ubona le ke mang mfano mapen ko benching even though asa dlala maybe. Nale ngeke ithabetse imvie. Thabetse limkhulisa, amkhulisa umnandi. Only if akathola game time proper. Mkhulisi umnandi. Mkhulisi ukhona I think ukhona mashallah player riding. Uyakana le wekimbona ngathi player high le wadlala ngakhona ukhona ukuyenza ukuthi Sundowns idlale because of umuntu ama space exactly so like
I think urenga ngale game le Champions League second half ngiyakhumbula
different player
yeah
he's more offensive but manje he sort of like connects with everyone
exactly.
Let's go. This is the rhythm of the music. Then they all gel. But the funny thing is, I feel like the coach are
but then if ever coach are technical team yayo na ring.
And the funny thing is, Kimana Larissa Sundowns to play.
I'm fun. This guy, mto ona Larissa Sundowns like well nerka chukaban at the time. Mshishi nayithola game time so wabo nadlala but then lentona le yakhona ukuyibalance already
ntwethu Kimshishi okay mkhulisa kasi yathi the way Mshishi nayitsa ka game but Kimthelo ring is working on it, he's actually doing it.
He can do it.
And enye into ne
I can feel this position.
Another thing the wadlala nga thing o khona go like etse re bone Tebo Mokoena Tebo Mokoena o ba dangerous phela knowing more like ona le motho o msalletseng ka show like o bona le goal ya korileng lo o nombona le kopile diamond and obviously na le player tse mkhavetseng so like I think he metsa go like a khone gore a dlale ka tselanyana tse ding unlike a dule da baba attack era ko midleleng ya Mokoena riding ya Mokoena le
ngifuna ukubuyela afconda ukuthi imistake esishuna coach ukuthi akadlalisanga lama player lawa according to their strengths bekafuna nje ukuthola draw
bekafuna ukuqualify
bekafuna ukuqualify mase uqualifyile uzofuna ama penalty extra time ama penalty awina ku the other round kanjalo azanga athi ku Tibbs shuna ispan sakho leso hlalo sishuna yabo beba too defensive yena noSithole yabo manje game yeCameroon yena noObas yangithola ithe masaqala aba free kule game le Cameroon la sibacala ukudlala khona yabo maybe nawo ubonile ukuthi hayi no i knockout siyadliwa siyaphuma ngono silandini labantu la but then mbeke ku Sundowns udlala riding le ukuthi free nyazi kunomuntu okhona la yangithola noma kuyenzakala uzomaka or kuzobe kuyimi maybe but ufree uyakhona ukudlala that is why akhona nokushoot ngibone ama comments la epage le Sundowns babuza ukuthi why bekangashayi ngeAFCON
beka limited
ngakhona ukushaya because of isikhathini esibaye bekangasitholi kulesa space
bekadlala more defensive
exactly yangithola bekangazitholi kulesa space and siyazi ukuthi uyashaya nala ngeEgypt besebadlala beseba defend Egypt lapha but still bekangazitholi kule situation leya because manje sis under pressure sesidinga igoal yabo yonke into mayisizodlala emakhandithu so that's why ngisho ukuthi somehow mina ngizomblame coach kwabafana ukuthi ucova ama player awuba use the way badlala ngakhona emaklapini wabo ufuna bayenze a different thing now kumele ba adapt to that ama game ina 3 eniwadlala la you can't
and
tournament nesikhathi limited yangithola you can't so shout out to Dave's our feet
so how do you give like let's say for example let's say to Nisho manje ukuthi he was supposed to ukuthatshela uDaves ukuthi intwana shaya ispansa sakho leso shaya lesikwazi ngaso but then again how do you tell umntwana ukuthi ashaya ispansa sakhe let's shaya or else you play defensively?
That's what I'm saying ukuthi yena ekabheka ikhahlamba lakhe as a coach ukuthi banga qualify mangayenza so bafethu hlalani bangascore yabo abadlali to their own strengths, to your own abilities.
And it's not like not capable.
Mfethu.
We could have went all the way.
Mfethu.
So kahle ucoach kahle yi usilimithe ilona into ibhayo.
Suffocating.
Attack to everything.
It's one way to live. If ke tlo nka go gas go phile my man o dlala bolo ya hao. Ke nganyo le we a ke re ke nganyo ntse ke bone. Ene be ko nka ke batla okay, you have to play professional but we batla dlalisa ntse le gore nga o idlala. It's one into your own player as a strike we convert to a fullback. O tlo bona ntse o e boneng kwa.
Yeah.
You understand? So if when I suffocate the player or gaya instruction to a player and I want to like it's not happening. So how do you go about in changing or adjusting for the player at least because I can tell you this the player if you guys are the review this test how plomela the player A1 ya South Africa ka chongore is standing out besides Moreno.
Yeah, well Mremi
offensive. Because it was more offensive. You understand? So it boils down to the I have to question coach Ore.
I think
I think
because of you know like Mremi keep playing on again. Yeah, what I we batla spacing. Batla sponsor strength size.
Blind spot njalo.
Yeah.
Umremi la sathi ubheka khona. Uyavela mawuthi akasekho. Of which that's a positive thing. But we can chow many. Anhlanhla style some Remo of play. Se complementa style sa police. Se complementa style sa Kemandrile. Se complementa style sa Mahopa. It's like Pirates it's
combo
you understand?
Unity brotherhood.
So if you take those players or Balo represent them because Wabono replace the unit the way Badalanga and you don't like you're not even playing them, you're discouraging the players.
Because of Lena Velega feel like all those games that I've won. Fuxi na batle a good game.
Angabe no a total difference. That's why I was cool really. Even abantu abaningi ngabokhuluma
because of untwana une plan ithing la ku is. So like you feel ngavele umteam like an opportunity or intwana a showcase whatever le akgona go yetsa.
And ubonisa go limitile di play.
Bona
forced.
Wabo.
Kora gara. Like he's playing freely. So it feels like Machitata in South Africa there's like you're not supposed to do this. If you do this,
you're out.
You understand? They're not playing according to their strengths, they're not playing according to their capabilities. They're not free to explore the players they've never been explored before.
Yeah, coach
African
coach
already by us, in fact, but the thing is we're not giving it to the world.
Yeah, so now going back to Kaizer Chiefs.
Awini.
Yeah.
Hey wena, hey abakhulu.
Yo.
Yeah.
Jaso.
Big team.
The big team. The big team
winile Tuesday.
Ay mara kube nezinto ezibhangalela game lelana. Bathi offside, ikhuluma into ebhaya, makalela kusi offside.
Hey.
Akusi offside.
Ngimtshelile ngevision ya.
Akusi. Now uyaboniswa futhi. Nambo
ngimtshelile
ngeqalile ama vision.
Ngimtshelile ngathi ama-fans we-Chiefs anesikudlula labo coach abayithula ngoba la.
Washo kanjani?
Ulibukelile la game la.
Hayi, ngifuna uphendule ngithi washo kanjani?
He's cooking this one. He's cooking this one. No, never.
Zange bamsubstitute.
Never.
Bayikile
game. Ubani uthi ba-substitute uNdlovu?
Iwengu.
Mame.
Defense.
uNdlovu bekadlala that line. No lies. Akaluzanga ibhola elisinyaweni zakhe lela game uNdlovu. Yes, bekadlala. Le amaplamba lawa yayi2 bewathi ayamkhipha. Babafaka bani? Khona outfit bayifaka la. And bebangamkhiphi uLilebo and uLilebo uyibi kadlala uDudu.
iCasling.
Ngithola. Mabathi basapha uNdlovu. Ama-fans ahlanya akhala e-stadium. Ukuthi nenzani? Bachanta igama lika Lilebo. Mawaceda mase kumele kushaywe la sub bayenzani? Bakhipha uLilebo.
Bafaka uVilakazi.
bafaka ama-player bebawafaka that game. Then you could see there ukuthi there's no coaching. Ayikho outside ebenchini ebrave ukuthi mangizothi ngiyayithuna ngiyayithuna because of nayi mina into engiyibonile ngibone nale uNdlovu ngiyamdonsa. But ithe the minute mina ngazi ukuthi bebamkhiphela angifuni ukutshela angicazi benga-expectanga ukuthi bakhiphe uNdlovu because uyabona emidlilini uyo odlalayo uyo connecta i-team yakumla ngize ngithi
bekakhava ispace esebhange
kanobani ucele akusile nto le ama-fans we-Chiefs bacabanga ukuthi uzoba yiyo but uyiphathi yale nto le abafuna ukuthi kube yiyo emidlilini nangu uNdlovu
uyayenza
uyiphathi yala kanobani lebuya ku-Sundowns
ngifuna ukuya uMabuwe
ulebona leya
badlala kamnandi buthi
bonile badlala kamnandi kanjani ile nto leya bacabanga ukuthi ucele uzoba yida ngasho ukuthi akusile lo player lo muntu kumele nithole lelo player le nimbeke naye ucele la uzobona ukuthi kuzoba mnandi eground
maka I think
but yabona le imidlili leya beyifakile leya ngiyakutshela
I think
4-5 games ithi badlale
they also playing with it khona manje
ithi badlale ngayo yangithola 4-5 game then uzobona ukuthi imidlilini seyikhona into esiyenzayo iyalunga yangithola iyalunga yazi uma bangathola ini umuntu ozoba makela kamnandi
uzoshaya khara
anike lezi zithu
uzoshaya khara
wenzani izinto
yabona makhuluma ngehamba ngikhumbula uMayiwa mfana ngikhumbula uMayiwa lentwana encane le yabona uMayiwa was a perfect person for that
athola lo muntu ozolinka i-defense
nemidlilo uyaphambili
yangithola umuntu uzoba collectela amabhola malicala idiski abanike lapho
ngithola lawa kathulonyana sawagcina kudala siwafuna from me
I think I think lemfana ke manje lebo Mabuwe ufita in grand kulesa sesule siya like ucontrol igame yabo kamnandi awuthi uNdlovu khona ukuyenza lento ayenzayo.
You need a package. You don't need one player to play there and do things. You need a package. Mangabe udlala nga3 emidlilini mabayi3 mele babe into eyi1 package not ukuthi bayadlala istyle esiyi1
kube into eyi1
makune CDM CM CAM babe ipackage bakwazi ukudlala ku3 then
qedile
ulungise emuva ngoba ngisazi indaba wayabadlalisa uMiguel
that one you see that one hey wrestler
I wanted to answer lento leyo ukuthi the fans more say than our coach. I'm just gonna make like examples based on the show. For starters, you remember Ngilokuza Bafana Hugo Pros. Now police will not khona keep police. This I understand is a substitution because I would say some people they believe in what they do and they stand the ground in what they do. They don't listen to other people because they're so opinionated to a point of they just void out yonke into show umuntu. Everyone was like, you can't substitute a police, but he did it anyway. Once I came
arrogancy, coach, very arrogant.
Made us lose the game because the police was the one who was making us play. He introduced Murem while the police is on the field. We win the game. We keep our police, ufaka Murem. Kwa police umuntu ofuna ungena phakathi adlalisa amajit. Umremo umuntu osidlaleleze mina.
Rotation intwana
ngaleyo.
Package.
Yeah, is one thing in short. So going back to lento leyo ukuthi SC ama fans vele yes singayibona into ongayiboni wena. To a point ukuthi siyabona ukuthi umuntu ofuna umkhipha umuntu osidlalisayo. Yes, voicing out it simply means okay, bra, you need to reconsider or rethink whatever that you're about to do.
Yeah. Yazi nami ngisho kanjalo lelithwa bengayiboni ukuthi like labo lelithwa bengithi akuna coaching akunabo coach la kumele bathole coach egrand right la bengikhipha uNdlovu kulele game bengayenzi sense but into bengisho ukuthi uyabona ukuthi ngingasho ukuthi somehow uyabona ukuthi lezi akunabo coach la because of enye abakho brave clear change if beba brave kumele bayenza kahle
basakuthatha ama risk
yangithola bebangekho brave ngaleyo ndlela ukuthi yazini samkhipha vele ukuthi bebamkhiphela nami ngicavi nami if bengise stadium favorite cheese bengizocomplain and then like yeah like why umkhiphelani lo muntu because uyu umuntu osidlalisayo and bozofaka omunye umuntu bekazodlala naye yangithola then bebazokhona ukuconnecta bonke labantu labo kube yi-package grand emidlilini isisuthi sibe right ulile bona Debe kangekho
beka off bebadlala ne-Arrows ne beka off
ne-Arrows naye ngidisappointed kuyo
nayo man
ayihlegayi ku-Arrows mara ya kuwo wonke lama team lawo
this thing mfethu ngathi
abheke mabadlala ne-Pirates
it's going deep ne because now I want to ask a question ukuthi do you think abo coach abaku PSL and I'm summing them all can they read the game?
Not all of them.
You think of like
how many coaches do you think they can read the game? Do you all guys think they can read the game? And judging from what? Judging from AFCON mean I think abo coach they play the huge role somehow because kunale game le I think who's this? I think it was Burkina Faso opening between the two. La le time aleli beselbona ukuthi yazini ama player la angidlali. Ukuthi ama opposition wami aza kakhulu kimi. Washa amasapa i2. Maqeda ukushaya amasapa i2. Yacela shift game.
On the other side.
Washa isapha lokugcina created a goal.
Yeah.
So hence I'm asking ukuthi do you think or is there any coach that you know who PSL okhona ugrade game athi okay now ngiyabona ukuthi ngiyabhayisa ngidlala igrade ngifake 1 2 3 4 then you win the game from the bench. I only know the coach at Pirates for now. Amanye coach okay even mangoba ngithi somewhere somehow but it doesn't go the way afuna ngakhona most of the time but it does ama changes ubona ukuthi la if
tactics from the grand
yabona ngalama player la khore in a different story.
So how ngimgayi uwadu riding mara kuzoya ngokuthi at that time ne mawusha amasap washayelana ngimfuna i-draw or so ufuna ukudefenda yangithola and it works for you recently zo amasap wakha washaye bese kadlala i-draw wadani ngoba yangatheka ngizoba hold and why hold igame yazeke phela
ushayelwana imi-block
ushaya amasapa grade for yena izo yamfanele phambili ngithola bathi okay yazini salvage i-draw kulabantu la then ushaya amasapa grade wafana le outside defend le score last time idlala nesikhukhulu yangithola masapa wakhe wonke right ayenzile ispan lesibheka sifuna senza ke uwari ngimgayi ready sakhuluma ngeChiefs sisikhuluma ngale ne ngeke ngimgawo uma nqoba ngamgaya but ngamgaya ne because of kulela game le Chiefs ngakabe sebaza khona
i-Arrows
ne then bashaya ipani
Ndlovu
nala goalkeeper saving ngithola bamisile it's skin siyamisa yini ngithola ene abamisanga ngalendlela lezokuthi bengigreed
bamise badlalile
vele kumele ngiphase someone akho ngithola bamisanga bamise cause vele lo bekumele shaye ngaleso sikhathi ngithola but then bamisa ibhola likanjalo uwadu
you know why it's wadu
uyangihlula
I think because of the quality that he has
exactly.
That's why I'm saying wadu because in most of the games ukuthi okay ngiwabukele so far with Pirates ama like ibench winner ilokhuzana game
ku Pirates
and another thing kunalento leyo ukuthi njengoba usho ukuthi uThingla uThingla I think ubhayize ne first lineup yakhe yabona umjele introducing him to the team angithi ufuna umgaya lento leyo ukuthi you need to fight for the sport ungabi lento leyo ukuthi okay phuma kule team enkulu nalana sokufaka right and then igame limsindile ngabonakala even though bekazama ukconnecta noGroplo bekasha amafika amaningi but wangamthuli. You understand? So Umjele is playing more of a mobile striker, where else you could have wathatha uGroplo menzi reference because Umjele esikhathini esibhanga athi bekalahla information yakhe bekahlala semuva ngoGroplo ibhola maliphuma from kubo and uGroplo maka flick ibhola mfethu wabona ngiyila ngoje ubhole uzwayisa so rise to trap or inyi or rise to ngifihla uwe so wena if boleta so ki lika so tshwantse bole mra wakho skaba kwa engwe metsi o shapa dirang
na lose position mje
ke ntse ke tshoko no tshwantse fela amutlwele a rile game ka first game o bona lo ke ya ke kena
so
ke ntse shota so umukentse I felt like Mjele is a good player. We're not taking anything from him, but I drowned him yesterday. Like Mjele Kambona, you didn't see him.
Mojela.
Mina mfana ni lineup kaWadu.
I was a bit surprised kala lineup ya.
Mina ngikutshela.
Wathi wina game or udlala live.
My honest opinion ngumrimi. Akusistart.
Impact player.
Uwinele game second half.
Impact player. Angikubawabiza kanjani. Super sub kind of players. Yangithola. Sidlale nesikhukhuni first league eOrlando. Sibonile. Bakore 1 goal. Bapaki pass. Ni sizodlala nabo no. Now we know ukuthi strategy sabo ukuthi bathole igoal. Bapaki pass. Yangithola. Ngicoach. That is why sometimes mina unokungidawa ngokungunderstand ukuthi wenzani.
Udawa ama player.
Uyacava ukuthi lezi mfana uma uyicoach kumele uplanele everything. Uyazi ukuthi mazingakora lezi zizopaka ipass. You must select your players right. Ubani ukwazi ukubreak ama low block Pirates.
Number 38.
Beside omunye beside awuthi lazy ne but uyakwazi ukubreaka lezo zinto lezo. Kabelo dlami. You ungamqalisi ngegame beke bench.
Uyashaya window.
In case kwenzeka sekuyisikhathi ukuthi labantu baya defender no. Uyazi ukuthi ngizointroduce le kwazi ukushaya ama pass nangu real ukhona labantu bawazi ukushaya ama pass so bonke bazokhona connecta grade bagora igoal and mfana ngizokushaya ngama reference A2 akhombula amadlala iChampions League RS Berkane eOrlando ngikhumbula igoal ka real lize kanjani bonile ukuthi badlale kanjani
yeah combination passes
uyangithola igoal lika Sekgofatso Mabasa ngifuna ukuzana kuMabasa goal lika Sekgofatso Mabasa against iBaroka Nedbank lile baziva
lele something 30 something passes
uyangithola
bekade KTP
bayila ama game bekada ukwazi ukubreaka
ungayikhohlwa neLupopo apolice third goal
Lupopo
ulihlabe khona la
uyolihlabe da
khona la kucela khona
umuntu okwazi kwenza lezo zinto lo muntu lo noma ungamcalisanga ngegame mbeke bench in case kwenzeka so then when uyafika starting line Outsham. Sometimes you just have to kill the game.
Zisasuka bese enza maske ukuthi bekafuna ukuwina ngoba kadlalela idraw
mfethu
lela nalo confused
mfethu kill the game. It's the second league. I mean nihleli during the week anidlalanga
2 weeks
Monday Sundowns yawina nibheki lokho labantu sebabo number 1 noma ngabe sine game ngento right to what it's fine but sebabo number 1 iChiefs Tuesday iyawina bala basifakile ipressure isikhukhune sidliwe midweek uyabona ukuthi sokuyitop 3 enzima lapha ya
and yabona top 3 yakho nasiyanda
akushiwana kakhulu
2 points
akushiwana kakhulu then what do you play your first game you have to kill
massive
mfethu they gave you a chance awudlali midweek so niyabona mentality yenu yakho kumele icale ngecoach mfethu kumele icale ngecoach ibe right jo kumele ibe right mentality faka ama player azokwinela igame uyawathatha lawo ama game ayamgwinya each and every time ahlezi amgwinya
and I'm frustrated
and ama opportunity lawo akora ngawo wathola makangenile second half ilaba create
ama defenders sebakhathele
nala umbuthuma nala urela phasa umbuthuma lapha phakathi break amanye amawini lamgcolile enyaweni la defender yawo yenza umrimi uvela la urela phasa umbuthuma lapha phakathi break amanye amawini lamgcolile enyaweni la defender yawo yenza umrimi uvela la bonile ngeke sayidini bekungana muntu ozini umrimi uvela la yila khona ukukora khona because of lawo ma opportunities lawo sesiwa creator second half because now sidinga igoal
sebasindwa inyando nisase fresh ngkhona
and ukhona Baruch lo muntu lo qale negame sekakhathela uphumile
ukhathele
yangithola dajo Chiputito fakurile umrimi naye kumele angene second half ayeke labo apolice jo baqale namagame yangithola
and bekangayidlala la idea because of sibilebele Van Rooyen sharp amnandi bekulo nomrimi ngaphandle ufakurile adlale aqale
esayidini
ngeke uTito ayenza izinto zakhe lezi azenzayo simbone ukuthi ama minutes uzodlala kanjani yabo sharp makazo substitute lento uyishoyo mrimi ngene really phakathi yayizwa la idea kula khona ukubreaka khona nayo really and umrimi vele uyavela sokuyise kona it makes sense neka iwina vele la
if frustrated ni play yona ni mo rila go tshwara bolo teng a tseba mpushetsa ka montle o batlile sharp player from ka
yeah ke bone
seka frustrated
because of lena again o change the game ka go share like yana le police ba change the game because of so
bese
na khona na le incident lega bani Mbuthuma laba mphasa khona izigcwala inyawo kibona ga something yazokala yi elogolo magopa nkare heavy legs man ona le agency
entle ka tsebo ke la ke talent Mbuthuma mfethu wena polita jwa no me katla mo monto ma first touch wa ibaba
I think first touch na
lapha angazi ukuthi phela lapha ngicanga ukuthi izomshaya inyawo the way bekagijima ngakhona mawithe mayifika yahlala enyaweni zakhe kuze igcwale idefender aqiniseliwe bese idla enyaweni zakhe immediate maqeda idefender maqeda usikomite bekayishango le yena la makangena ucale ngiathesha la block
umphasile
uride
another thing too something utsofa Mabasa
ngifuna ukuyada ke mo le mo re isang dai question ile wa tsa question ya teng ere Pagania entse blinder ka go advise Mabasa are they missing him or not
we too Pirate
because of aka go shaba
le ngayisho ipa
the chances tse di create le mobile tse di create le mobile exactly you need a reference striker so lo
that is why ubheka
ke game eno tlamele o lead kutsho ngakho
seke nayo into bengisho ukuthi uRiver bekamfaka seke nayo seka
maseka qeda credit game
seka yangithola
sheba
besafa kuMabasa
kaba le goal attempt kasibisi la lichayisa khona into za
Mabasa bekazofika lapha
and ka left ubona isibisi phela
imchayisisa
mara da I think imchayisisa
la bekumele azenze inyawo lise straight yena lisele kukhipha la
bekavule nje athi
so wabona makafede liki mang mfano Mike Mamosh udlalile ne mara kifila ngaka na le bit selfish
bona sonza pass
uqhaqhile la boxing mfethu your policy mo penalty spot
because that's my thing
ubile selfish
that's my thing Juni that is why ngithi mina manihleli during the week ngibheki log niyabona ukuthi no manje yabona no sifuna ukwini league and kuyanyiwa
ngithi ime effort okwatla wina league
ngithola wena uhleli la uthiyanga uthola idisk elifana naleli ya usibili uya minus uspanele team
phasa mfethu la yazi ngikhumbuza iprime ka Tito mfethu Tito na phasa la wacha Tito na yeza
mo phasa la mentally tank mfethu
nese you chayisa ngata yebo to ithole tashe grade fana release
mfethu
awuthi
mina ngifuna ukuya
players mfethu leader
mentality ama player afuna ukwini league uzoyibona ukuthi le mentality nayo bafuna ukwini Pirates abanawo I'm sorry mfana hayi bonke ne kunama player angana mentality great labantu ba selfish
bafuna ukushaya
mfethu
bafuna ukushaya babona
but yazi ukuthi yini nayo into bengifuna ukuya kuye into ezosikhawatha Thimbo la uHugo Bros akhetha khona ama player ama team into ezosikhawatha no think la kuChiefs isazoyenzeka if ngizoba mistaken ngizongitshela naku Sundowns maybe sezoyenze wonke lama team ku PSL akhetha ama player maybe nakubo Forster le nabo kumele sibabheke green into ezobakhawatha no ukuthi World Cup is coming everybody wants to shine
obvious
and if everybody wants to shine the team izosafara
izosafara vele because of wonke umuntu uzicabangela yena ukuthi ngifuna
uzobona
I think vele no tlamele wadu afake winning mentality as a team not as individuals
mfana
because of individuality
if into so it becomes a bit difficult for you to break down to the
Tito wenza
bengithi Tito angithi kahle ngize ukhuluma ngeFIFA World Cup uTito izolo mina ungidlalele mina lapho mina into angashayanga whatever those fights but he was fighting so ingephalento lokuthi mfana usele lapha ku AFCON most definitely ufuna ukuya kulo
World Cup
if only utodula injury free
Makabe ngikho injured. Makabheka into engiyishoyo.
Uyazini lesingayazi. Beka ngikho injured uthini enhleke?
Beka injured.
Uthini? Uthini? Before bazo select isquad.
Beka ngasamfaki lo wathi.
Yeah, beka injured ngithi.
Uzwa mina ngithini ne? Nga riding le. Kulento kaTito. I think uhleli wabona ukuthi Sting number 10.
Yeah, I could have done maybe better if I was the
Sting number 10.
Ubani uHugo. Utito.
Yeah.
Oh. We should let's game your Paris mobile.
Oh, yeah.
Ukuthi Sting number 10. And number 10. Okay, ngiyabona bafuna ukwenza really future number 10.
Alright ngale side.
Uzoba i-status ku number 10 esigrade.
Yeah, bala ngithi in closing sesikhuluma kakhulu ngePirates.
Yeah, no, sikhuluma.
Oh, I understand.
So,
no, not
that.
So, bheka isikhathi nale nama-topic amanye.
Yeah, so uTito uzobheka indaba yokuthi kumele ngiphushe la kule position.
Yeah, yena ish.
Ngithola. Kumele aphush. But into engishoyo back to izokhawathi team mas sikazijele dating le. Into bengisho ngale mentality ukuthi inkosi sefuna ukushafa isigoli World Cup. Somehow uzokhawathi team because when you ufuna ukora kucala. So uzothola ichance kumele uphase khona but ngeke uphase because
yeah.
Ngithola.
Makes sense.
So lama player mawadlala man. Dlala ibhola ungacabanga World Cup. Awuthamba makumele uye ku World Cup uzoya.
Kahle.
And there's another thing futhi okay i-highlights nje lensiyabala.
Yeah.
uTito kunenye blind pass imfana eshayile izolo. Lela bhola leli mfethu mina bengicanga ukuthi uzothathwa le runner le. Kunale bhola lishayile lathi. Sangane beze umunye umuntu oza kanje lakhileza ngathi I think ubeka pass speedwheel or something.
Mike Mamosha.
Hayi mfana. Ila ngibona khona ukuthi
Mike Mamosha.
Ne.
Tito mnandi.
Yeah, talking about Tito, bhakabhaka sesiyazibala makune player eliphuma kubhakabhaka. Ela Sundowns, lathi ku Sundowns, lathi ifuture yaqhakaza yathi manje iqhakaza kakhulu baphethe uThembi Nkosi Lodge.
Oh.
Inyosi.
SMS Mesut.
Yazini yabona no sesingayicala ke agenda ke right ke manje ke. Manje.
Yesu.
TikTok ngicela bangasangeni manje. Nayi agenda singayicala manje. If no Hugo Broos ne angithi bazodlala ama friendly prior to the World Cup. If uyambiza uLodge ne uma friendly azodlala abe la team. Sicela ukuthi amkhethe ku World Cup ayi ku World Cup. Mara if akambizi kuma friendly ne then azo announce squad se World Cup bese kucale la agenda ukuthi kufune ku Lodge izoba unfair because of ulebela ngekho ne team. Into bengiyisho mina last time ukuthi ulebela ngekho team ngeke bavele bamkhethe because ngise on form. Kumele ube teamini udlale ne team
uqale ne project
but no it's the right time.
Okay.
I hope mabadlala ama friendly bamkhethe abe la. Angashitsheli nge-age rami kancane.
Okay, we do understand into the ukuthi you need to start with the team and everything, but mabazokhetha for a squad usuka ungana any experience playing with squad, right? Sure. I think even though okay despite his age I feel like kunezinto ukuthi mfethu we need to like put aside ukuthi okay sharp siyazi ukuthi uLodge bekangekho with the team and everything but kunalamo ahlele phansi na ubona ukuthi like lento esikhuluma ukuthi uTito bekahlele phansi wabona ukuthi lapha yakushoda mina
number 10.
You understand? So it's one of the nyore onaje utsile di nyawo Hugo Broos we need more European players.
Yeah, keep wondering you.
Of which out of Chozwalo that simply means you no longer checking processing Ronaldo but so shekile the way adlala the performance amount at that time.
I don't believe this.
No, like I mean, we don't believe
it.
Masesikhuluma nje mfethu sesikhuluma iqiniso. Mina I felt like uLodge needs to be part of his squad top 5. Whether you're playing FIFA, whether you're not playing whatever, but he needs to be part of the squad.
And uphakamisa.
You understand?
Phela
manje. Ngezana Lodge. I feel like the situation yabo yafana in terms of Europe-based team, but Ngezana has been part of the project. But nakhona Ngezana play like a player out of 100% we would say it's not at
3.
You understand into English for when it's 3. for mina out of 100% I would say 50 akasiphanga lento leyo ukuthi but he still plays for Bafana
yeah, he
Bafana.
still plays. Yeah, he still plays.
So
I think
why
coach
can't
wa
we give
believe
other
kwena.
people- yeah, you need to believe
Yalo-
in everyone.
Yeah, Lochi talk about
personal.
personal because of obvious. Kila into on
But
the
one
off.
team it's not about you, Hugo Bros. It's not about you.
End of the day uzokhetha
It's about us.
personal.
The chest into bruise.
Personal.
So
Yeah,
like
manje it's not about Hugo Bros lento le. It's about Bafana Bafana, Hugo Bros.
it's sharp. Akamncanda. As long as Hugo Bros sanzalda akakwamunga imfithu. Wamselecta wadlala. Upole but baba nali the issues tsabona. They're off.
It wasn't confirmed already.
Well,
It was a rumor.
Rikacho jwa.
Yeah.
Mara they're off.
Amara
Kusho detail.
nasibonisa live.
Wakubonisa line. Hey, pass. So like whatever mjiditse yona. So like wabona like ekhawatha team.
Khawathi team.
Ekhawatha le role. In as much as lona retsa ngembadla vele la.
Mara nawe wena
As a play.
Mongadlala team no. Bese udlala ibhakane ukhosi. Bese maybe bobloma nenye edlala TS Galaxy. Yabo awuthiya
You can see me.
Come on, man. I wanna to see me.
yabo bese maybe le ikuthathela insize yabo bese bayayisayina ithimini yakho izonala uyabo
Beef.
yabo
Sengiyaqala yazi ngenzani.
yabo
Yazi ngenzani. Create group lezi ezingifavor. You
Yabo?
destroy
That's how it
into
is,
them.
man.
Exactly.
But then again,
Personal.
So
here's
that's
the
what
question. Here's the question. Are we playing to nurture someone's feelings or are we playing for the pitch?
either way, Jack, I never give a credit.
Yeah, but now if okay,
Never give a shot.
Steve, okay, Kim, you own a company. Yeah, I can understand. Don't never wish up, and I'm not taking that out from you.
Yeah.
You own a company. Or CEO. I'm told the CEO. So if people know how to be grand, can I try to tell you to compete? I hope you to compete. Married. A lot of incangi. Are you sharp? Understand?
Yeah.
So why can't King? It's not like Hugo Bros he's bigger than Bafana. You understand? Unless if little more I'm tough. But okay, we understand or maybe we only the emotional whatever hidden behind closed doors and whatever. But here, whatever feud on a linear and whatever feud on a linear coach is in that you understand? The office in Japan, depending you go everywhere. Not about beef and matata one about country focus.
Yeah, obvious professionalism can travel go both parties.
Nami ngingadlala
Yabahle yamfit. Mara
Tigers ngiyawuthi yangishaya still.
Mara at the end of the day.
Ngizange besidlala lithi.
Sharp yona vele feel ke nthonya le jwalo mara ona le batho ba bang ba sa kgoneng ba more professional ka tsela
njengawe so.
Beef macala. Kuyavaya macala.
Endle kangicaba ukuthi i-AI ne
Kuyavaya
ngibone
macala.
i-reality lento ngibone. Nibonile ukuthi usale isuka vaya lento yakhe ukuthi beef ku Pirates.
Awusitshele AI.
Ngibona iclip angazi if i-AI
Khambeni.
bengiphupha or ngidisi.
Iversion.
Uthi bebase gymming. Ne? Bayi gymming wafika ngemoto.
Rand stadium anyasicava leso store.
Ibonile
Is
wapaka bajima then maphuma mase kumele avaye start imoto ayistart
badabule i-petrol whatever
badabule and athi uyayibona ukuthi double
shawe ngesikero
petrol pump athi wafonela i-VW ukuthi bazoyilanda athi into eyamcala la ukuthi la kunamakhamera kunayonke akutholakala ukuthi ubani
so
every
question ukuthi ama-player or party organization or because of one thing I know iwemu akusikabhazi ingena especially vele ngala paka imoto khona vele angikho sure angazi makabobani abobani
unless muthu odlala position elorenza lengwedlala umlwanisa for yona umi batla like umshaya king
imnandi ke le mastandi so akwaziyo ukuthi ubani okhathile
bathi fana lendidenge
athi ngoba usuke endlini igrand
uzile gym
uzile
Ucela kumgama problems la. Then babazo-check ikari bathole ukuthi.
Then again, wabona kuthethe kubuka kaya no beef. Wangithola. Uthola hore footage iteng. Ne, but no
by temporary.
Yeah, by temporary or maybe about to keep. But no, you didn't instead of phela ayitocala say it silence about leading out bamkhawathisa tothola footage ling ayisalento lo it close silento lo ngitothola ku-media. Maybe they trying to avoid that, but on whose account? Silence account.
Athi ucale wabona la ukuthi no.
It's a shopping, yeah.
Bafuna ukungi-analyze yini?
Bafuna
ukungi-validate.
So izocala imkhawathi.
So wabona ke like ntwana uzamile over professionally until agcina sayetsang sa break down. Breaking down wa wetsa itseng. Wa understand? And oka se blame mtho jwana.
But then
one try.
And
imkhawathi and
asazi okay bafethu.
Imkhawathi le national team sport.
Let's make things clear. Iruma le asisho
alleged.
Yeah, enjami khuluma isilungu esi well readed se Harvard. So alleged.
Iruma ke qaba. Babo so like imkhawathi le ko national. Phela ubule ne art. Ku bafana. Ne art ne re tseba go saleng. Ali happy re mtsiba saleng o Pirates happy. Mara itse a tlo break down oda bile le ditori tse bave wa hlalla hore wena di pre-contract wena yara saleng injury
journalist se South Africa
mamela
how it is.
So question ko re ke mang o yentseng le ding
and aso gabatse
ke mang o yentseng
okay wa fetse
question ke yona ke mang o yentseng le ding
we hope o kwena yentseng
why baba and le teng why baba tlo itshuna le ding you
I can catch up like ba shift umqondo from focus elong focus itse go ntse bona ni santho tse baya jalo sa le stable so
lena le never give a grand ke nsale
because o tlo ba leading ya okay sharp ke man and no ke bo mang question mang tse baya umthola
ngeke lena le never give a
cabanga ne ndlala nonke pitching maqeda kuba nomuntu ongaphakathi epitchini okose benchini okenza lento le
ke yona nkinga mfethu ke di player na o play gometse motho from ko organization eng gore ye wena yetsa ntho so don't disease you already know Joe in as much as mfethu sa tsebe footage una di camera mara o tseba lo like mangazange itswe then it means by temporary the footage mara ke di rumors sa re qave ya justify so
allegedly
saleng mfethu hayi nene bengeka saba mnandi la Pirates vele and obviously nitlo affect the team kaofela.
Let's hope and we wishing you all the best in Mfana ko Sundowns mfana ko performance.
Hayi lo tlo mnati yena.
Any signings
Sokufa mabasa score on debut.
Ngibone lady ngibukele the Kawash podcast izo ngibone bakhuluma ngale situation le ka Mbokazi no Puso Dithejane.
Yeah.
Bathini
the reasons ukuthi why basayine
uDithejane.
Bayile ngada. Angithina mina now besithi akusimove egrand. Imove egrand financial.
Yeah.
Simove egrand.
Mara
so bona bay explain better because ama soccer player ngithi badlalile disk ukuthi uTeku yasho ukuthi da athi if naye bekuwe bekathole leya off bekazuyithatha because of uyazi ukuthi ayikho team le South Africa ebhadala and uthe la South Africa
uthe South Africa
besides le say la South Africa engakhafa to an extent ukuthi mawuholile uyazi ukuthi noma uzoyenza le but still uzoba ne-income wazi ukuthi angithola Linda Mtambo waze washo ukuthi the reason why ahasila so noma angadlali angithulimele no angadlali ahasila ama podcasting it's because of ufeed abantu ababhaya makaholi imali yakhe mayinge uyazi I have to feed so many people bayifakile naye I have to feed so many people so I can't focus
at this game and you are 8 of young
and on 37 so I have to
balance
yabo so no mfana ngicabanga ukuthi abantu laba bahafa mali
maka vele
he was wearing Gucci shoes.
Yasila phela mfethu ihasilke ngivile izinja lezi
sicela umphando ukuthi bonakale please
well imbokazi vele hayi ngayi uzoba mnandi mangabheka nelona ne brotherhood i-document yakhona makakhuluma isihloko sakhe la clearly mfethu yenza sense le movie
lesikambuthuma sisiriyo
yabo so like maka I think ukuthi dide ngile le dide ngishawa Paris le ma documentary brotherhood and stuff lezo zinto lezo I bringa close
you need to understand who you play
between thina ama fans nama play via isingabi hard on them considering the fact ukuthi hayi lo dlala manga lo in asazi ukuthi
here's my thing ayikuthi hard on them ne ngicela ungunderstand ujim every day
sakhumbuza
you are making it basic every day base kumele ucross when crossela ama fans like uyenze every day gym base kumele uyenze ke ngesikhathi kumele siyenze si important when ucrossela ama fans utrap every day ibhola so ganda amaclash ibhola mase kumele utrap uyangithola into engishoyo ukuthi mina for mina angifuni ukuthi ukwazi ubamba ibhola ngamadolo wenzini entertainment le siyafuna ukuyibona but awuthi know the basics abakuphasa ibhola liza phezulu yambona ureal let knows basics
mnandi
noma ungayenzani uyambona ukuthi uyawazi ama basics uyangithola but mawubukela amanye ama player amanye ama game kuyazibuza mali awuthi lena mfethu
and mfana ke nalina up the question mfana according to Ntsoichong no ne
nqanywa bolo ayetsetsa favor Because 60 and a little obvious 60 I balance issue because of now about buy
okay
well bakhona vele they are doing it for you considering ilona ama backgrounds wabo
70%
okay
bayenzela for
uyangithola uyabo
akuna pressure
yabo so like
30%
only few that's why ngithi 60
because of right ukuthi masibona udlala lapha si question whatever yenza njengoba usho manje uthi basics mina I feel like ama basics in fact they just end up mama before you yabona masufika kuma professional level so that I don't know I might be wrong I stand to be corrected ukuthi I-basic bayashara like
professional
like basic simple wakaphasana ibhola wawuphela Anthony Richard step in lace ling I stand to be corrected James
ukuthi baya
sharp like on a daily basis ayo ke ntwechakelwa
bayetha vele bayetha
but yazi okay ngiyakuthola ukuthi ubuya vanga lento le ngasayida naye on this one ukuthi somewhere somehow sizofila ngazuthi abayenzi because egaming sibona wonke lawo ma mistake ukuthi
phasa ama fans lento ayishoyo
I think
umbathi izolo kunina phasa ama
players mentality
fans yangithola
but Steve Mfana onaluba
players the mentality yabo the individuals
onaluba off mfethu makodi off doesn't necessarily mean ubu off
awukhona utrap iball
whatever
exactly
whatever mfethu dile ngejwang ukaba like gymming for example badi yethu basic master obeninathi fihle gaming a highly competitive game ucake so to nje ke dai ke atmosphere ya game how many games it doesn't matter that's why ke vaka mentality ya di player wena mna ka ntutshuli dele mo yetse every day
and
maro thata ba okay
imagine umbokazi
and it sucks that
umbokazi bekanyela ukabini udlala eBelgium
uyangithola
makunye le phela ku PSL ukuthi baba
that's why ke mentality ya di player le yona mfethi it plays part go lining ya vele ba yetse di bad decisions nyana tse so you can't be like you struggle ka di basics
70% of PSL mina
ikona ilokuzana i-bad decision ne
yeah
ukhona ukuthi
never
yacula bo hayi ku PSL
you see
phela wethi thona link phela no na and isenza ngikisho le back then hore standard sa PSL mfethu okay ki PSL because it's our Premier League you understand but when it comes to PSL and Premier League
kasi le professional level
kiska Premier League
kasi le professional level
kasi takes it way far
phela kasi dula etletse maka
ke bua mfethu ntse re buang kae the simple thing and a re ke motho e one several players simple trapping simple passing umuntu onxibe njengawo simple window
to ngizolo ngibona umbatha ela phasa uVan Rooyen na so and ugijima so umfana ufuna ukuphasa umahopa la uma kwabantu
Abayi-three.
abayi-3 abaminayo Nangu umuntu.
ngimbonile
uvanreni uzombuza uthi awumfethu
ama-decisions abawathatha ke ntho e ke tjhong ke re mfethu mentality ya di-player sometimes ya Kenya because of now wa tseba ntho e right tlamehile nga etse o kgetha the hardest way.
So you rather choose into sponsor Benzema, like sit on the bench, be a bench warmer, than fixing that small thing.
Kimo.
Yeah, we are kind of okay. So I think like Kaizer Chiefs. Wakudlala ne box ne. Wakudlala ma passing ya
back passing ya.
Ayiluki, not the back passing uyaphila ayiluki.
Back passing ala di forward pass.
Ayiluki.
I'm sure the forward pass.
Yakhumbula ngaze ngasho. So do you think there's coaching?
That's what I'm saying, Dokore. And I think it can be questionable when as a player.
Yeah,
you analyze your game. What is analyze?
70% it's on you as a player.
That's why it's important to get body footage to analyze your thing. How do you more chevel?
Hey, sponsor, let's say Bugeli podcast.
Sometimes get lost to your mentality.
Yeah, we understand. But why is it majority of the better than one?
Now, coach, that's why sometimes feel like to coach
it's simple, plain and simple.
Yeah, I think you might be right because kuna lento lokuthi alo as based a straight go as also mean.
Yeah, also mean.
Kuna ndile nyore because I'm a top lane everything.
Big.
Not beside of I'm big. I can project however I want. Whatever I show, I can question it. Whatever coach says,
you do.
For instruction.
So why can't? Come on, why can't it be like that?
That's why you give mindset emergency. They choose the hardest.
And talking about Osimhen. Yeah, in a lawyer. Ke so ke a Senegal.
We are Lagos.
So ke Morocco. Ke kopantsha ka fela ke Afcon.
We are Lagos.
Yeah.
What's alarm? When the rumors say Chomore, FIFA referee and the coach, they might be benched because of whatever they've done during the game and what saga. Allegedly. Yes. We're not saying it. We're just telling it as it is.
And allegedly,
before we had refereeing, overall tournament, was it the best?
In regards to what?
Like by hosting the everything. Like
no, it wasn't. Like one of the games along the teams were more. There's like favorable teams along by the
so meaning
Morocco
like
yeah, it was more favorable for the hosters.
Our previous episode, tournament is over. However, officiating, officiating. Since Italy, officiating. It decide like
Africans.
Morocco has been playing Stadium C1 throughout.
Why?
Yeah,
but exactly because the crowd is for them. It's like it's one of 11. Come on, crowd get 12 plus what ref 13.
Officiating. Mkhalile mina makilile sandaliso. Baba mbathuzi di penalty. Baba ngabadithola. Same incident
how so? Same thing. No wabona and una engtinileng yakithi bo Morocco nedlala league. Motiaza adonsang na pasi udonse pasi. Pasi a retaliate fela ka bat na batho ba tsoga mfetsi tlosa. Ba kaya ke mang pasi yellow card tsontsha ba kaya motho qadile mo initiating the draggings and everything. So that being said, kunenye futhi rumor. It's like the rumor di phare sa tsebo which I think your President Motsepe or he must be replaced by Eto because of whatever yada. I think he's wasting money. Apparently, you can't be saying someone is wasting money. You know what? It's a difference. Or else, King AFCON of the cap.
AFCON.
New game mehlanyang. It's only the profit.
14 point something million. Yeah. Now it's a profit 11 point something meet. Ever since Mtsepe athletic charge. And how can Bati waste money? Mtsepe ekbeni countries like Kenya, they're building beautiful stadiums.
Infrastructures, exactly.
Because of mina ngibelieve ukuthi uMtsipe ukuba ipresident la uinveste a lot ku-infrastructure kuwo wonke lama country so that ukuthi Africa nayo izokhona ukuba on the same par ne-Europe. Uskabana li TV yeah li ele top yo top.
But is in the right part.
Yeah, ne. Da ivari. But then I feel like mina ne ngikumele aqale ngezinto ezipublic ezibonwa phana. Engithola cha so that alungise yabona ne-Champions League lento ukuthi iyadlala manje
UEFA usho like i-CAF
African Champions League
okay
CAF Champions
CAF Champions League
yeah i-CAF ne
Confederations
ziyadlala i-Pirates bidlala league izobe kunama game e-PSL ama league games bekwadlala like
it must be more respected in a way
like ibaneli
kumele ibe ne
udlala CAF
sibekelele
udlala CAF
abashaya ama dates nje ne-UEFA Champions League
I think
that's where he's going
because abashaya during
we introduce lento like King Nations Cup
Nations League yama country
I think that's where he's leading
akaqale ngale Champions League man sidlale during ukuthi yazi why
because of now
you know why izogaya i-broadcasting azokhula ama views why because of siyazi ukuthi during sibukele i-Champions League dlala i-Sundowns dlala i-Chiefs yabona sibukele da and akunama game e-PSL during that week so that's waqedana lento yama games in hand what I think into ekhawathi nama lento yama game in hand nani laba sebawinile laba in
I think pleasure kuwe lo ne game in hand and it's sort of like
uyabona manje and ikhawatha le calendar ya PSL yona itself because of you find like United teams lo no siqedile ka league games yabona and yet when Sundowns setseka ka game tse ding tsa utlo fela like ikhawatha calendar na
let's just give him 10 plus 5 15 years you'll see the direction that he's actually taking because with already you bona ka riding like no more AFCON in AC the way you're expecting like them but the outcome and everything it shows that there's vision and there's mandate to be met and another thing I think he's doing okay by giving other countries to hold in terms of infrastructure so that how uskaba leading a lot of favorable mama because we have infrastructure you understand even so now it's a linked chain type of a thing rather than just saying okay because South Africa is the best King stadiums and everything will host the
because some North Africans pelile bathi baropa i-Senegal Sunday spegile and millions and millions of people watching Senegal yakora how you check VAR mara sazi ukuthi makune goal liche and ucabanga ukuthi kuna something you must game wait let me go and check
that's why ngikhalile ngeofficiating
mara ngepenalty
abantu change kanjalo what's barring
ngepenalty ugijime ubamise 2 seconds what wo you check
and ibizwa iplayer uzahamba yebheka thina sibize the whole team is smile but you're not doing anything and another thing isekile bethu Nikitorenko wena Chokobane kere kya bua no active will something but I remember it
so na into ngeni yabo I mean I think Senegal bayeda finally basijilile ukuthi guys you are playing against these people
how they playing in
how they play
and stuff like that they knew
and we know they are gonna rob us mabacala ngathi bayasirob asiyaphuma eground siyahamba
bengihlele lapha bengiloko ngithi manje usalelani
bekumele bavale babonisa ukuthi it's high time bana North Africans dala baropa
yakuzwa so into yetsalanye i-contact sports
like laqala uri uthola khona ke batla tlosa ntso wena bo diver how is that aggressive
nami ngiunderstand
le ka hacking
le foul le ifana nokuthi 50-50
kahle mfethu you fighting for the ball ukuthi mina
ngawile inkinga ukuthi zikorile lezi Senegal but
the problem ukuthi zikorile ababuyisi
in closing
what do you want to be
in closing
what do you remember this
superstar
in closing I'm just saying Kaizer Chiefs must win and that's it
that crosses
no I mean mfana somehow ngifuna iPirates win league yabo honestly ngifuna iPirates win league but watching igame la izolo
yeah
abangayi riding ukuthi these people
winning league mentality
ama-player i-coach angisayibala coach cause angisanderstand
confused lo ama-player amaningi
sengikhuluma ngama-player adlala egrawundini awafakile awaselective hayi ukuthi abatholanga ama-opportunity bawatholile sibilibili bekumele ngabe uphasile sawina 1-0 game laphe ene angeke ngithi sawina 1-0 bese badlala low block ngithi if beskorile la maybe bazophuma lesothola lesi2 elesi3 elesi4 angazi but then le opportunity iyo bezosivulela amagoli abhaya but then shout out to Chiefs for naye into bengithandazela vele mele ibuye ukuthi sicompete ne-sky is the limit.
Uyakhumbula njengoba ngiyakhuluma lapha eKaSwathini wathi ngibambe naye.
Oh yeah
so my question was do you think ukuthi AFCON ize ngesikhathi esi-wrong for ilokhuzana ukuthi ama-player Orlando Pirates owamele ahambe lapha eSpan in regards to angisibadlalile it's like I would say they've been overworked in a sense whatsoever, or maybe fatigued. That's why they're performing the way they're performing. So my question is, so AFCON immediately impact the Ejwang of Orlando. Okay, yeah, let's just say Orlando Pirates because most of the players are Orlando Pirates.
Yeah.
In regards to how they're playing right now.
Nah, I don't think even the impact. Mangapeka na minutes bonke bawatholi. Alikhi player le Pirates elithola ama minutes. Idlale 90 minutes ukhona.
Police first game
ahamba namapolice
apolice udlale most ama-game wonke nanoma ngawaqeda and then Mremi nawo udlalile
you need to remember James
and then bomakhupa abadlala udlala igame
i-1 yeah but you need to bear in mind it's not all about playing. You sitting on the bench thinking not it also demoralizes you.
Yeah,
ke la ile ngikitsho impact because mfethu ngizoqala awufana ne-expectile ngifukeni so him not playing and everything like ucho iluthi jwan lena or like how does it shape wena moving forward mu PSL
yeah ngikatsho ke revelability impact because of akawasheva so mastal kitshilo kare the Plaza Pirates most of tsona di gcina udlala ka Carling Cup ne and then straight to AFCON we expecting more that performance bayodlala kaofela no azange etsale jwalo those who are sitting ku benching obviously the training is not you competitive that much but ukuthi abadlali obviously alutlokhutla ku PSL performance alona it will change because no sadlali or rust example you can tell example Mbatha phasa di-opponents uwabona umntwana nsasadlala ugcina khalo dlala so obviously tlamele I think adjust the atle gradually grind ka di-game so le matshantse obviously bomfukeng ke diplatse dintse le no di-special wa mkenya mfetu ziyakhala la umbona go rust mara wa bona ga iya ziyakhala so like ya ibile le impact of course o di-plans esadlalang most especially
because like ke a bona ore like okay something but
after Kali adlala phela ka AFCON re ka tshwere 2 months ntse asadlala
then like it goes back to didn't ke buileng ka di team that break nyana eo akere Jim is not that competitive because ke a tseba gore if ke tlo maka Steve you understand so to go make a certain way banning ke a tseba wa hloshela you understand but that fitla go fielding a ona motho klo nesa ndi feeling sa
exactly
so ke ntse ke batlang go itshore like hoploma o sa dlale like game time wa bona that game active ne re bitsang yeah ke game time basically go player ile
active yeah
so if that break phela no matter
2 months baya
2 weeks baya
ka 2 weeks ka gain away
and ukhumbule ama player okay na ke tseba ka na ke le unfit ne ke le
yeah high obvious wa maiza ya maiza wa maiza maka unfit uyamaiza
noma ibhola ngibonile ukuthi bengalifica le bhola
makuzokhala
uthi waphasa wabona because
yeah
mara ke fit a Kenya kwa
bhola
yanka ka kwatseba
yeah
so I think now le break it had an impact
ko leaking
effect actually effect ko di plane tse dingwe ngitsol because you need to play for you to improve.
Exactly.
Yes, we can practice and whatsoever, but you need that thing like that
competitiveness.
Competitively, this is where I'm at. But now you cannot measure your fitness. You go training why?
Yeah.
Even for a month, 2 months, 2 weeks.
But then, what about some player actually all these games? I'm on tips, but the performance sometimes.
Yeah.
We say
bebadlala ngithi basase active ngithi
Friday
loya
le game la Friday
uyabona loya
it's football.
You see that one
ukuphumula komuntu ukuphumula wenza uyangithola ifana njengoba sishithi isiphumula ubaras noma bathi ubumnandi kanjani you still need to
ungadlali
yeah that's what I'm trying to say kwamele usikhumbuze
hayi game
time manje mawuhlezi phela so yazi ukuthi umsebenzi wakho uhlezi and you working on izinto onazi ukuthi usishaye ground that's why kunalethe babithi game plan nangithi so wena kuyahlala monthly awudlali not even dalaring maybe friendly sinyana
badidlalile friend I remember they played against Chipa ngithi ibhakani njengoba abadlalile Chipa
no wayithi kuwela udima inka AFCON nebadlala Chipa
AFCON nebasadlala
nodlala ababathameyilimi baba setting bayetha kuyijimela individual
abagayi program.
That's what I'm saying dokori liba phela
yeah no
kuyawutho point out ngoba urust bama play
bafana Pirates play bankethi players ekhaya
9
then the rest of the teams are not players eqhubiyweni okay kacho ke 1-2
kidalda
wangithola unal chance mfethu
well mfethu obviously the teams ebhane dikwezi ne December ne dikwezi and koyona riding you
basoftisha bampenga
koyona riding you
baba bekudlalwa nge24
kunalethema leli bashaya ngempama
26 bekunamathini
angazi ukuthi team yaphi Mozambique or something lebe bashaya ngempama ku changing room bese calculator TikTok
now
remember what Pep said women city njengoba bazovala for ma Christmas whatever ma New Year nani sharp break eu ebayincandanga angeke ngikile la inking the wait sa play aditshela gala khutla le gainile never lidlala some other players they feel that and azamba badlala
program itukhuni bekathanda iMcDonald's office ebala le isikhathi shayile so mafuna ukungifacing mafuna ukungifacing bro.
Sing your favorite Guisha song.
Guisha song.
Hosa sikula sithandana anje sisakali sibe ay
madoda wakumnandi emhlabeni
eyamnandi sanibonani awudumela
nikujo song mina bafethu ninalo ikujo song ninalo vele
unalo
angazi emaningi yo aya mina nginalo
unamaningi wathanda
ngiwathanda wonke mina tutu
message
ay namabilo kwekakhnesha kilusho let's ke ukhulu mama no baba
iyo mthoma kwethu bafethu I don't know ikujo song which one now ke fingene ke incanga la ikakhini ngiqalela
asinavalo
yo izwa ngakusayitsiba namfana mina
sekusele kancane sizophumela
nebhakani yani yasophumelela la kushibo uyasekusele kancane angazi ukucula khansitsho I can't sing man come on Kaizen I don't know what to say hey this is
usibuza ama question
sekusele kancane sizophumela yo abana bazoba
ay mina obvious
atikomdisa ngiyazi
Teko the general Mudisi anything every day odlala cha football outside aphela mina ngina2
ukhuluma
Wena usadlalwa
like mina obvious Teko Mudisi mara if ufuna udlala really mfuki obvious
okay
Nina I'm not my favorite player South Africa
South Africa
kahle mfethu kusube favorite player yami baba you told it okay I would say
mina komodisi nawe yazi no odlalayo
Oh yeah, ungasadlali ne. Me,
Kiri ke ara.
I'll go no lona no terminate. Di gama balang. That guy is aging very fine.
Mina bengizothi knowledge msona.
izinja bafethu
Yabo.
Hey,
So,
mali
di gama
We
balani.
go for 2 more.
odlalayo baba
Odlalayo
yeah
ngaba because of I was a defender ngaba usesana. Ngani style of play sa
Izinja.
yantana leyo.
hawo balizinja odlalayo
Karen.
Odlalayo. Hayi mfana, obrigado.
Paper two.
Bila jaga.
izinja
Would you rather score a goal or assist one?
mina
Hayi mina nyazi this one.
ngicela ungiphendulele
King of amaphasa. Thank you. Assist.
Assist.
Me and rather
I'd
score.
rather score because I was a
striker obvious
Me and rather score.
score
Yeah, because
You know me I was a boxing coach.
Mabala.
Hey,
No, that's why.
hey, how boy Mabala? I'm smart, ne?
I see you.
On a match day, you're watching baby or whatever game. Which one is important, food or drinks?
mangibukela ibhola
Must be Paul.
Yeah, bro. Which one?
you must choose one
Yeah.
You must choose one.
drinks
I mean a food. Food, bro. Salam alaikum, Buffalo Ribs, nigga. I'm gonna rip them apart, hi.
awusuke endlini usudlile
You can't watch football ungaphuzi. So like me, I rather drink.
Hey, Baba.
The drinks.
Nyama.
kusenu
So balancing.
I'm actually liking this question.
This one, this
I
one,
will do more each and every
this one. Jaja, you
I
like
think,
food, ne?
I think, Papalaki. I think by the way.
You say video acting.
Oh, my man.
Two no riding no kuhlwana
It was actually 11:30 seconds.
I was like,
Kuhlwana,
man, put it on
bahleli nokuhlwana anyaza nokuhlwana
Hey, Baba.
You know, I think
Ayizadla
it's like
lezi.
a shop rock.
Yeah,
Yini?
I understand what food.
Papa,
Yeah, it
And-
makes
and-
sense.
Thank you.
Mara ke kgethile dipela tse ke relateang le tsona ne. A defender and a wing.
Lina, obvious shout out the komodisi
You see, Terminator, the speed, plus the
izinja
interfine.
Yeah.
Sesani the defender could come and collect
Don't
it.
forget to like, share. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Kule channel let's babiza Ishibobo
yeah
magazine
yeah
episode
yes
14, not 41.
yeah
Alrighty. Thank you.
Drunko.
Fast, chain out. Drop the mic. Drop the mic. Drop the mic.
Don't go back
Drop
to
Drunko.
Mac.
2000.
Follow us on Instagram, ne? Instagram is what it's about for you. Yeah, Instagram.
Instagram.
Naku TikTok, naku Facebook,
TikTok and Facebook. So on.
everything bakhalabi.
Go to
Everywhere.
go Twitter.
Go X.
What is your
Go X. Ngangisol.
Shivo Mac.
X.
X.
Ukhona.
Shivo Mac ukhona. Danko bafethu. Yeah.